Hi there and welcome to my channel. Today we'll be making creamy mushroom and spinach pasta. These are my ingredients and they will be listed in the description box below. To my boiling water, I'll be adding some salt and I also add 1 box of pasta. Now we will boil this until it is nice and al dente and we will strain that pasta, okay? Now we will add some butter. On top of that, mix well. This will actually prevent the pasta from sticking together. To make our sauce, these are the rest of our ingredients. As I mentioned, will be listed in the description box below, along with the measurement. I've already added some butter to my pot, allow that to melt, and add the onions and garlic and mixed well. I'll go in with my mushrooms, give that a good stir, allow it to cook until it is nice and soft. Now we'll add my parsley, pepper flakes, and chicken bouillon and mix well. After about 4 minutes, we go in with our tomatoes and our frozen vegetables. After about another 3 minutes, I'll go ahead and add my heavy cream, and that is 1 cup heavy cream and 1 cup half and half. Give that a good stir. Taste. Make sure it is to your likeness. You can adjust the seasoning here. Now I'm also adding 1.5 tablespoons of cream cheese, chives and onion, and some black pepper. Now I'll go in with my Parmesan cheese, give that a nice stir, and bring this to a simmer. Now I'll be adding my pasta, mixed well. Oh, look at that, guys. It is super delicious, quick and easy. Garnish and serve. Guys, if you're new to my channel, please go ahead and subscribe so you wouldn't miss any of my recipes. If you're already here, thank you so much. Please like, share, and comment. Bye-bye. Enjoy.